Hey, I'm Tara Stiles and I'm the founder of Strala Yoga. Strala Yoga is all about being easy on yourself, easy on your body, and moving in a way that feels good for your life. I'm kind of known for my willingness to do yoga anywhere. I think it's really fun to not confine yoga to the tininess of a yoga mat. Balance for me is everything all together, all at once. So mind, body, spirit, everything, it has to be connected. There's a few things that have helped me throughout my day and life that I'd love to share. When my skin is off, it's a sign that other things in my life could be off balance as well. Rehydrating my skin is a nice way to get my skin back in balance and set me up for my morning meditation. The simple meditation that I do is just literally sway a little side to side or easy forward and back. I let myself kind of move how it feels good. I know a lot of moms that feel like they have to kind of get everything done, get the workout done, get the work done and the errands done and all of that. I've come up with a fun way to incorporate doing yoga with her while she's active. An easy move you can do with a baby is Warrior Two. Just simply pick up the baby, get into your Warrior Two and breathe for 5 big deep breaths. Commuting the word is even stressful. I like to take just a few deep breaths while I'm waiting for the train. It's a yoga routine that you can do incognito. A simple 4-count breath all the way up and holding it at the top for 4 counts, and then easy 4 counts all the way down. A move that I love to do just right at the desk is a nice eagle stretch, taking a big inhale to lift a bit, easy exhale to soften, and really feel any tension just physically leave my body. You can feel better, be more productive, feel more creative, and feel more at ease through whatever you're doing. There's a big misconception that balance is rigidity or balance looks a certain way. But I always love to think about balance as this idea of moving softly until you find your own balance within.